Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to sharing about the requirements from Singapore. It's the latest job openings. So welcome to the channel Abroad Job. You are watching the most valuable channels for your careers. So please keep watching this video till the end and focus what is the latest job openings from Singapore. What is the applying process? What is the basic needs to apply for this job? Let's start. The first job is accounts executive required in Singapore. So if you are belonging account professionals, don't be late. Focus the informations. What is the applying process? What is the requirements? Everything details. Focus on this video and apply as soon as possible. So let's focus. Accounts executive full sales first. The opportunity our client from the manufacturing semiconductor industry is looking for an account executive to join their expanding team. Attractive remuneration with bonus and promising career progressions. The talent. This is the basic requirements. Point number one, degree in accounting or equivalent, at least 2 to 3 years of experience handling full sets of accounts, strong hands-on experience in month and year-end closing required. Experience working in the semiconductor manufacturing industry will be plus. Good interpersonal and communication skills, immediate or short notice period will be advantageous. This is the basic needs to apply for these jobs. The job. What is the job responsible? Maintain full sets of accounts, prepare and review annual budget and management reports, handle GST filing and submissions, assist in the preparation of yearly financial statements, prepare balance sheets and P&L statements, ensure timely and accurate month-end and year-end and closing independently. Other HOC duties are assigned. So, if you have proper qualifications and experience to work as an account executive, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. You can send your CV to the both of email ID. Of course, once your CV will be shortlisted for interview, you will get notifications for interview date. In that date, you have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you will guided by the company or by the employer how to make the visa and how to apply for work visa to get a job in Singapore. So as you can see here, this is the official contact numbers, this is the office HR persons, this is the official email ID. Everything is in front of you. Don't be late. Apply as soon as possible if you have the proper qualifications to work as an account executive. Please focus in that talent points because this is the most vital to apply for these jobs. If you are fulfilling the requirements which is the mentioned by the employer, then only you can apply for these jobs. So let's focus on next job, warehouse assistants. Warehouse assistant, office hours immediate up to 2.6k, MNC 1 year contract, central. The opportunity, office environment, 5 days working for a week, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. The job time, locations, Nicole Highway. So this is the locations from Singapore. You'll get these jobs in these locations. So if you want to apply to work as a warehouse assistant, please focus what is the job descriptions. Pick and pack goods for delivery. Pick and pack store, pick and pack and store goods of an arrival. Regular cycle counts, filings, track the temperature of equipment. Others are HOC assignments. This is the job responsible requirements. What is the basic need to apply for these jobs? Fast and meticulous with responsibility. Manual work is involved. 2 to 3 years of relevant experience. Please keep in mind, you should have the proper experience in this relevant field as a warehouse assistant. Then only you can apply for these jobs. Prepare your updated resume. Send the following email ID. Please collect this email ID from the description of this video and forward your updated CV or resume to the given email ID. As I already told you in the previous, once you sending your CV, if your CV will be shortlisted for interview, then you will get a notifications for interview date. This is the official numbers. You can directly contact if you are available in Singapore, or you can send your updated CV to the given email ID if you are interested to work as a warehouse assistant. The next job, accounts executive, also in the different locations. As you can see here, our client, a technology company located in Western Singapore, is looking for an accounts executive in join to their expanding team after remuneration with bonus and promising career progressions. As you can see here, this is the basic needs to apply for this job. This is the job responsible. This is the applying process. You have to forward your CV to the given email ID if you are interested to work as an accounts executive. So don't be late. If You have the proper qualifications and experience to work as an accounts executive. Apply as soon as possible by forwarding your CV to the given official email ID. Let's focus on the next job, HR executive. If you are belonging HR professionals, if you have the proper qualifications and experience, please focus what is the requirements to apply for these jobs. Our client is one of the global leaders in the ophthalmic industry and excellent opportunity awards you to join one of the established organizations in Singapore. In this role, you will report to the general manager, handling the day-to-day HR personal duties as well as support in employee life cycle matters. You will also be involved in various HR implementations projects and the exposures to HR data. So, if you are interested to apply, please focus what is the requirements. The main requirements are minimally 2 to 5 years of relevant experience in human resource and operational duties, well organized, independent, and solutions driven individual, strong interpersonal and communication skills to realize with all levels of internal stakeholders, resilient and able to work in fast-paced environment. Applicants who are able to start work immediately will be advantageous. Key responsibilities. This is the key responsibilities you can see here. Update employee movement. Realize with outsourced vendor for payroll processing of overtime. This is the basic points I am describing you very shortly because the video will be long. So please go to the description of this video. All information is there. Please read it carefully by yourself. Then you will understand what is the basic needs to apply for these jobs. So if you are interested to apply to work as a HR executive, don't be late. Send your updated CV to the given official email ID. Otherwise, you can directly contact the contact numbers. Next job, long-term packer. So as a long-term packer, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. Long-term packers, $45 per day. Erican environment, the company name weekly, pet. They will provide you salary weekly. Work with friends, picking, packing, unloading. Able to work weekends is a plus point. 4:30 to 9 p.m. shift, 5 days per week working. Full benefits and transportations provided, full-time positions available, only opening 40 hires to sign up with the student. Interested individuals, please first up mention these numbers. You can save these numbers in your mobile. You can first up, you can message them by giving the Singapore country code before, then you can save, then you can send the message. If you are interested to work to as a long-term packer, please save this number. This number you can get from the descriptions. Save this number with Singapore country code and send your message that you are interested to apply and send your documents to apply for these jobs. So friends, today in this video I already told you, I already share with you different job openings. This is a long-term packer, then HR executive, then accounts executive, then warehouse assistant, then also accounts executive in the different locations. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible, and my request, please share this information to your friends and relatives, and I hope you will get a success from this information. So you can apply for these jobs, you can get this job in Singapore. So friends, finally, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll come with the latest openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.